Okay, so we're going to start the second part of Lab 2 for CS150. This is making your very first program, which is this Hello World program. So we're going to go ahead and make a directory for CS150 real quick. The reason why we do this is because we do not want to mix up our classes and our assignments. Okay, so we're in there. And now we're going to create the file. Okay, don't forget the .cpp extension at the end, so you're able to compile this at the very end. Alrighty, so we're going to start a VM. We're going to go ahead and go into insert mode, put in a £, and put include IO stream. Alright. When we include the IO stream is input from the keyboard and output to the screen. And the next line is going to be semicolon at the end. Don't forget that. The using namespace std is basically just this standard namespace. It makes us be able to use input and output without having to type a whole bunch of extra stuff. That's probably as far as you need to know for the time being. Alright, and we have our int main. And just so you can start getting used to this, you should probably start tabbing correctly. So since we're inside of int main, we're going to leave a couple of spaces. I usually do 3. And we're going to go ahead and type in our output statement, which is going to tell us hello world. So we do cout. Those are carets to the left side. Hello world. Alright, so let me explain real quick what's happening here. So cout and the carets is our output. Hello world is what's actually going to be on the screen, which is between these two quotes. The second caret allows us to put an end line, which leaves a space after it prints out the hello world. And this returns 0 over here is the way to exit our main function. So the program exits. Do not forget the semicolons, by the way. Your program will not compile otherwise. And why don't we go ahead and compile this? Command G++, and then what you're trying to compile. So the name of the file. Go ahead and press enter. And it compiled. A.out is going to be our compiled file. Just the default executable that is created from any CPP file that you compile. And the way you run it is by typing in // and then the name of the executable. And we see that it says hello world. And that would be it for your very first program. Good job!